Hello, English Evolution Step 1 community. Today, we're diving into another essential type of pronouns, demonstrative pronouns and interrogative pronouns. These pronouns are crucial for pointing out specific items and asking questions effectively. So, let's get started and master these important tools in English together. Demonstrative pronouns are used to point to specific things. They help indicate whether the noun they refer to is near or far in distance or time and whether it is singular or plural. Here are the 4 demonstrative pronouns. Near in distance. This and these. This refers to a singular noun that is near in distance or time. These refers to plural nouns that are near in distance or time. Far in distance. That and those. That refers to a singular noun that is far in distance or time. Those refers to plural nouns that are far in distance or time. So, let's get started with examples using these demonstrative pronouns together. Listen and practice. Near in distance, singular. This is an apple. Near in distance, plural. These are bananas. Far in distance, singular. That is a lion. Far in distance, plural. Those are birds. This is my mother. That is my father. These are my parents. Those are my siblings. This is my bag. These are my clothes. That is my shoe. Those are my shoes. That is the sky. Those are the stars. This is the earth. These are the trees. Remember, these pronouns help us point to specific things, whether they're near or far. Let's move up to our second part, interrogative pronouns. Interrogative pronouns are used to ask questions. They help in seeking information about people or things. Here are the main interrogative pronouns. Who, whom, what, whose, which. Who refers to people and is used as the subject of a question. Whom refers to people and is used as the object of a question. What refers to things or information. Whose indicates possession and asks about ownership. Which refers to a choice between a limited number of items. Let's dive into the examples. Who won the game? Whom are you talking to? What is your name? Whose book is this? Which color do you prefer? With these examples, remember the colors. Who is calling me? His wife is calling him. Whom is she calling? She is calling her husband. What does she need? She needs some money. Whose phones are these? The phones are hers. Which one is newer? The one she is using. That's all for today's lesson on demonstrative and interrogative pronouns. I hope you found it helpful and are ready to use these pronouns confidently in your conversations. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning tips. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover next. Keep practicing and see you in the next video.